I want to start the video off today by letting you guys know from your neighbor, wow, spilled it. From your neighborhood, that wide bow tie, you can never have, ever have too much lube. Look, 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 look. This is the part that y'all see in every lift kit salesman pitch video. This is it right here.
Rough country, 6.5 inch kit for your Ford F-150. Easy installation.
Slow-mo. This is it. That's money. Money. Money and cut. Beautiful. All right, wrap it up. Hey, that lift kit looks pretty good, doesn't it? All right, guys. So you know that we put the leveling kit on the Tahoe, right? Looks pretty good. Your boy did it. Of course it looks good. The plan today is to throw some 35s on it. I don't know. There's no way these are gonna fit. There's no way. Nope. That's huge. Look how big that is. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna fit.
Look at the back. Actually, I don't know.
No, because you're gonna have no room.
It's not about the back though. The back is fine.
Yeah, it is, because you hit any kind of bump and you're slapping the top of that tire. There she goes, stealing my truck. Look how wide that thing is. That's crazy. There she goes with my truck. If something's not broken, it will be broken now, unfortunately.
She was in your truck.
Not anymore.
Sell it?
Yeah. Dang. That looks so clean. Now, obviously the beads aren't seated. I was having some issues getting these aired up, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at what this would look like. And that looks, damn. We'd have to cut like here and here. And that's obviously it's jacked up, so it's a little more height, but come on now. Come on now. It looks good. Dang. That'd be mean. That'd be so mean.
We got different styles, because I would definitely slam it.
I love the big, huge tires on it. That looks so good to me. Throw a roof rack on it or something. With some black wheels, I think that's the move. Black wheels and that's it. What you think, Lance? What you think? With the Nittos?
I like it.
You don't like them on this truck?
I'm going to try to do something where you have to step down to get in it.
This? Compared to that though? Yeah, 100%. 100%. Obviously we can't keep this because it's way too big, but this is definitely something that we're gonna do with it. Well, we were, yesterday kind of went by really quick. As soon as I got off work, we weren't able to get the alignment done. I got off work, we immediately went to a wedding, and I got home really late. That's why the video was up late yesterday, so I'm sorry for that. But the views are doing insane, over 1,000 views overnight. I think that's never happened to me before. Maybe once or twice, but that's recently. That's only been like a recent thing. But we were supposed to go do a truck meet last night, and apparently the cops all around Atlanta are completely cracking down on the car and truck scene right now, and they're arresting people, they're giving out tickets. I mean, the truck scene and the car scene right now are non-existent. Like, they are completely shutting everything down. If there's a meet, they have people watching social media. If there's a meet, they show up to the meets, they're ticketing, putting people in handcuffs. Like, they're going way above and beyond to make sure that none of this stuff is happening, which I think is really stupid. I wanted to go out and showcase the new 18 wides on the truck, but of course, Atlanta PD, surrounding sheriff's office, all that stuff is definitely not letting that happen. So hopefully the meet in Canton tonight, the meet that's tonight, Saturday, hopefully the Saturday night meet won't get canceled, even though I know it probably will be. So none of you will be able to really get to see this in person, because I'm probably taking it off on Monday, because this really scares me. I mean, especially with the front end, the tie rods are probably under a lot of strain, the stock hubs are under a lot of strain. So I really don't like having this stuff on here right now, even though it looks really freaking good. It really scares me, like it really does. But I mean, this is what I do for you guys. I send it a couple times just for the content, so you guys can see something cool. But one more thing before I head out. Yesterday you guys saw I did take these off of the, actually, so these came from off of a lifted excursion at work. They're 325/50 22s or 35x12.50. If anybody's local and wants them, $100, or if you don't want them, they're going on the Tahoe at some point. So I want to give you guys the option. Yes, the 5-gallon jug that you might be able to see in there goes with it. You can have the 5-gallon water jug as well. It is empty, but you can have it to put water in. So, you know, they don't have very good tread on them, to be honest, but they're something you could put on there to get you down the road for a couple months. So it's Saturday. I have no idea what's going on today. We got the old squatted 18 wide truck ready to make some moves today though, so we'll figure something out. We'll get some good content for you guys today. I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out of here. Let's get this bread.